In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the output source in Discord. Head to Discord, go to user settings. Keep in mind that this tutorial is useful for both phone, desktop app, or the web app, which is what I'm currently using. Head to the app settings. Under the app settings, the third option, you're going to find voice and video. And this voice and video option, you can find right here, the output device. In the output device, if you have more than one output device, you are going to find it. But if it says default, you are going to have to change the output device in your computer. I'm going to show you right now. Now you can see my whole screen. As I said, I only see defaults right here. So I'm going to the left side of my computer or your taskbar. In this, I'm going to be able to change the output device. If I change it, for example, to my speakers, it's going to change right here because it's set to default, and default is whatever you are using right here. That's it, and goodbye.